guys, we are here at Cabinets Quick on a quiet weekend, and this is an IKEA cabinet. Yeah, we don't sell IKEA cabinets, but we bought one. And the reason why we bought one is because even though this door looks like it's from IKEA, it's not. We made this door here as a mock-up. And we just bought the IKEA hinges, which are identical to regular Blum hinges. And we just measured where the holes were and made this door up. In a later video, we'll talk about the leg levelers. So one set of leg levelers there is actually from IKEA, and that one's ours. So some interesting content coming up, but the main and most important reason of this quick little video was to let everybody know that if you have an IKEA cabinet and you want to do an IKEA hack and get replacement doors or put in a drawer or something, you can order all kinds of cool doors and drawer fronts from us and change them out in IKEA. In fact, if you have an IKEA cabinet with a door and you want to put a drawer, you can go get an IKEA drawer and we can cut you a drawer and a door to kind of reconfigure your cabinets. So if this is a cool hack you guys want to learn more about, let us know in the comments and give us a call in the office, and we'll see you in the next video.